How can the brain compete with AI? This is an introduction to deep learning. Let's look at a classification task. A deep network consists of many layers and are commonly used to perform classification tasks on images. The image is processed through the layers until it reaches the output layer and selects the correct output. The brain is a complex network, and its learning mechanism is to this day a puzzle. We know that the brain is a shallow network architecture with only a few layers. Yet, current AI architectures are deep and have many layers. Can shallow learning compete with deep learning? To answer this question, let us examine the shallow network. If we look inside a single layer, we will see that it is comprised of many filters, where each layer has its own set of filters. To simplify this explanation, let's denote our labels as numbers from 1 to 9. Our horse will be marked as label 1. Each filter recognizes a small set of labels. What will happen if we increase the number of filters in the layers? As we increase the number of filters, the recognition of those labels is enhanced. But how can this trend help recognize a specific label? The proposed new mechanism answers this question. At the last layer, among the 1000 filters, 300 are label 1 filters, and 700 are not. Each one of the 300 filters have label 1 among their set of 3 labels. Each one of the 300 filters contribute to the output label 1. A total of 300. The rest of 2 labels of each filter contribute on average a small noise on the other output units. The rest of the 700 non-label 1 filters contribute an additional small noise on each output unit. This enables the network to recognize a specific input. We can now compare deep architectures with shallow ones. In deep architectures, the image is enhanced with the layers, while in shallow architectures, the image is enhanced with the filters. Instead of adding more layers, we can add more filters, thereby creating efficient shallow networks, just like in the human brain. Thus, we can answer the question, can shallow learning compete with deep learning? The answer is yes. This is how the brain can compete with deep learning. For more details, see our research paper.